again. So today we are going to discuss some problem which is based on trigonometric ratios and identities. So the first question is prove that root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 is equal to 4. Just consider the LHS of the given equation. So it is basically root 3 by sin 20 minus 1 by cos 20 degree. Just take the LCM. So it will become sin 20 into cos 20 and the numerator will become root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20. Fine. So as we want to get RHS as a 4, so just take 4 as a common and we want to convert this denominator in the form of sin 2 theta. Okay. So we can write like this, 2 sin theta into cos theta, it will become sin 2 theta. So numerator will become root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20, right? So now this is 4 into root 3 by 2, right, in the form of sine. So it will become sine 60 into cos 20 minus, and this in the form of cos. So cos 60 into sine 20 divided by 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So that will become sine 40 degree, correct? So now the next. So here it will become 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is nothing but sin A minus B divided by sin 40. So this is sin 60 minus 20 sin 40. Sin 40 cancel. We got 4. That is nothing but the RHS. Fine. So the next question is, if sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos power 12 theta plus 3 cos power 10 theta plus 3 cos power 8 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is given? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we can write sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and we know 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So basically we got sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Now just consider the LHS of the given equation. Okay, so the LHS consider, and in the LHS take cos power 6 theta as a common. So if we take cos power 6 theta common, it will become cos power 6 plus 3 cos power 4 plus 3 cos square plus 1 minus 1. Fine. So cos power 6 theta, it will become sin cube, and this nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, it will become cos square plus 1 whole cube minus 1. Fine. So sin cube cos square is equal to sin. So it will become sin plus 1 whole cube minus 1, and this is nothing but sin square plus 1, sin square plus sin whole cube minus 1 sin square. So it will become sin square plus, and sin is equal to cos square. So cos square whole cube minus 1, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 cube is 1. So 1 minus 1, and finally we will get 0. That is the answer. The next question is 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1 is equal to. Okay, so we'll try to convert everything in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Fine. So now we can write this as a 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? And the second term we can write as 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta plus 1. Fine. So now what it will become? It will become 2 into, this is nothing but 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 into 1 minus 2 Sin square theta into cos square theta plus 1. So it will become 2 minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. So this cancel. 2 plus 1 3, everything get cancelled. Finally we'll get RHS as a 0. Fine. So the next question is prove that tan 70 is equal to cot 70 plus 2 cot 40. So we can write tan 70 as tan 20 plus 50. Fine. And this is tan A plus B. What it is? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, right? Now just cross multiply. Remove this, cross multiply with this. So what it will become? Tan 70 minus tan 20 into tan 50 into tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. So what we want to calculate tan 70. So keep tan 70 one side and transfer the remaining other side. So it will become tan 20 plus tan 50 plus tan 20 into tan 50 into tan 70. So we know tan 20 can be written as tan cot 70. At cot 70 tan 70 cancel, right? So now we can write this as a tan 70 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50 tan 50. It will become 2 tan 50. Tan 20 can be written as cot 70. Why? Because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. And 2 tan 50 can be written as 2 cot 40. So this proved RHS. Fine. Fine. So the next question is sin 5 theta plus sin 2 theta minus sin theta divided by cos 5 theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 cos square theta plus cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta, cos theta, cot theta or none. So we can start solving. So see, sin C minus sin D is what? 2 sin C minus D by 2 into cos C plus D by 2, right? Plus sin 2 theta divided by cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus 2 cos 3 theta plus 2 cos square theta. Fine. Now we can take cos 2 theta common here. Sorry, sin 2 theta common. So sin 2 theta common, so it will become 2 into cos 3 theta plus 1 divided by, here we can take 2 common. So if we take 2 common and in this 2 term take cos 3 theta common. So it will become basically cos 2 theta plus 1 plus cos square theta, right? So now it is sin 2 theta into 2 into cos 3 theta plus 1 divided by 2 into cos 3 theta, and this is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, right? Plus cos square theta. So now we can take in numerator cos square theta also common. So it will become basically sin 2 theta into 2 cos 3 theta plus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta common. So it will become 2 cos 3 theta plus 1. So this get cancelled. Sin 2 theta we can write as a 2 sin theta into cos theta divide by 2 cos theta into cos theta, because it's cos square theta. Cos cancel, 2 cancel, and sin by cos is tan theta. So this first option is correct. Fine.